Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to draw a gold wafer. So we have word open. We'll insert shapes. And we're going to pick a square or a rectangle with round corners. Fill it in with some yellow. Shape fill. Gradient. Let's try this one. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but we'll try that. Shape effects, bevel. Oops, let's move this out of the way. We'll make several of them. And then pick the best one. Okay, so that one's going to be just go with that one. Okay. Just go select both of them. I'm going to open up. We're going to click on this little arrow. Open it up. Format shape. Move this one back to what it was for material. See if that does anything for us. Oops. Keep both of those. Okay. Okay, we're going to leave that for the lighting. And then the material, I'm just going to go back and find something that retains that edge. Move that like that. Okay, I'm gonna just select the one. That's not bad either. Choose this one. Line and the width. Okay. Now we're going to add some text. Text. And I think maybe I should be darker. Slightly darker. And make it bigger. Okay. Select both items. Shape format. Align. Center. Let's find the logo. You just choose the sun. Might as well align it. Align center. Go select this. I'm going to put a gradient on there. Shape effects bevel. Choose that. This thing here, I wish it was a bit darker. Let's see if we can't Arial black with Arial. Oops. More colors. Okay. Let's put some shadow on there. Shape format, text, text effects, shadow. Then we're going to take both of these, copy, and paste them on here. Align, center. Okay, let's find a different color. That one works. Give it a shadow. And then align, center. We'll have to change this to platinum. Let's see if we can't make both of these. There's some shadow. Then you want to go select objects, shape format, group, and click on fixed. Same with this one. Select objects, group. There you go. Thanks for watching.